Hi guys, it's Diamond, and we can see here is a finished product because when I will start to make it, and I have a guest in my studio, so I don't have time to make the video in the I, I don't have time to make the video before I make it, but I just want to tell you guys and share with you guys. This is very unique and very functional design packet, and this is a standard size, a standard regular size. So you can see it's a little big, and in the front because the customer she saw the Nikki edition, and she very like the front pocket I made in the Nikki edition. So after we make the last time to discuss what her need, and she tell me about like inside, and because she want to inside to be more simple. So finally we made a decision to make this. Yes, you can see it's a two folio pocket in the each side, and also double side have just a single pocket, a single piece of the wing pockets here, and with a big cast that. Yes, it's very simple, but it's just very functional. So I think I will add this simple design into my shop, and to make it to be a individual options in my shop. Okay, so maybe I will call this is the because he has double wing and double interior, so I will just call it the double wing pocket. Yes, double wing pocket, and double wing pocket just like this, and still can make to any size, like the field notes, like the A6, like the personal size, and I can make them in any size you want. So this is the I will call it the double wing, and that will help you guys to make order more easy. Yeah, you don't have to choose interior pocket and add two interior pocket and add two piece of the wing pocket and something like that. You can just only you will see the pictures, and we will see the options there, and we will see the wing pocket, double wing pocket double wing pocket covers in my shop. Okay, so because it's very simple design but just super functional, and I wish you guys will love the double wing pocket. And the double wing pocket also including a front pocket too and a pen loop. Okay, so hope you guys will love the covers today, and will love the video too. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye.